Alright, quick video. I just finished replacing the tie rod ends on my 2014 Honda Odyssey. You can see that one, I actually had to cut it off. That's pretty much the only way to go. You go to get a Diablo cutting blade right here, put it on your Sawzall. Takes about 2 minutes to cut through it. Trying to get it off any other way is just almost impossible, and you don't need it. So you can see the new one on there. Right now I'm just checking the brakes. I can see that I forgot something when I did the brake job before, and that's a little grease. Put some grease on the back of the brake pads here, on both sides, the front and the back. My brakes have been squealing. That's probably the reason why. Not enough grease on the brake pads. Don't put it on the face of the pads, put it on the back of the pads. That's a video. We'll see you in the next one.